Okay, so I'm going to work out number 5 with you, which talks about a length and a width of a garden, and which tells me that I'm dealing with a rectangle. And so what I know is that the area is given, right? The area is given as x squared plus x minus 12. So area is equal to x squared plus x minus 12. And I also know that the length is given, and it's given as x minus 3. You're being asked to find the width, which is that side. Okay, so I know that area is equal to length times width. And I can substitute in the expression for a, x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to the length, which is x minus 3, times the width, which is what we're looking for. So to do this problem, I'm going to factor this trinomial, because once it's in factored form, I'll know what this missing dimension is. So I know there's a 1 here in front of the x squared and a 1 here in front of the x. And so therefore my a is equal to 1, my b is equal to 1, and my c is equal to negative 12. So I will multiply a times c, which is 1 times negative 12, and that gives me negative 12. And so what I'll do now is find the factors of negative 12. That will add up to give me b's value, which is a positive 1. So here are the different combinations I can get. I can multiply 1 times negative 12 to give me negative 12. Or negative 1 times 12. 2 times negative 6, or negative 2 times 6. 3 times negative 4, or negative 3 times positive 4. So I want to add now going across the pairs of factors, because I'm looking for the pair that gives me a sum of 1. This would give me a sum of negative 11. This would give me a positive 11. 2 plus negative 6 is negative 4, and this would give me a positive 4. 3 plus negative 4 is negative 1, and this would be a positive 1. So the pair that I'm looking for is going to be negative 3 and 4. So we're going to use that box method. And when you have a trinomial that you're factoring, the very first term, remember, goes here. So I'm going to put in x squared. The last term will go on this last box, so I have negative 12. So now that I have my factors, I can put those into the two empty boxes. So this is going to be negative 3x, because I have a negative 3 here. I have a positive 4, so I'm going to write positive 4x here. To get x squared, I'm going to work backwards. I multiply x times x, right? So x times what gives me 4x? Well, that would be a 4. X times what gives me negative 3x, that would be a negative 3. So the sides are actually your factors. So I have factors x minus 3 times x plus 4. Now they've already given me x minus 3, so therefore the missing dimension is x plus 4. So the answer for number 5 is that the width is x plus 4.